Hi there, here is a quick tip on how to fix Windows 11 Defender not opening.
Somebody unruly.
Are you trying to open the Antivirus app in Windows 11 but you cannot? Instead, end with an info message. You'll need a new app to open this Windows Defender link. Well, for some reason, it won't open even if you try clicking any of this but still get the same message. If you go on with clicking OK, you will be directed to Microsoft Store. You won't get an app that will open the settings. In case you haven't noticed, they are Windows security features. Try the following fixes. 1. Try updating your Windows. If it doesn't work, go to 2. 2. Run the following command on Windows PowerShell. Open PowerShell and type. That one should work for you. Thanks for watching.